Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing, review, and setup of the Dr. Killigan's Fly-In. This is going to be a trap for flying insects as far as flies and bugs in your home. This is currently on Amazon for about $18, I believe. Yeah, $18. And this will encompass 2 separate fly-ins as well as 4 separate sticky traps. I actually received this by accident from the company because I was collaborating with them on a pantry moth trap, and they actually sent this to me instead. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll just go over the packaging, the general feature list, and then I'll walk through setting it up, and then I'll just basically put it out in my apartment. Even though I don't really have issues with this, I really have issues with pantry moths instead, and we'll see if it catches anything over time, and I'll circle back at that time to give you a sense of how it performs. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so this is the Dr. Killigan's The Fly-In. This is going to be a fly trap that you can use on windows or other surfaces that'll help catch flying insects in your home. This is currently on Amazon for $18, and this will encompass 2 separate fly-in traps as well as 4 separate sticky traps. So we'll just kind of look at the packaging, but it says Dr. Killigan's. It's the fly-in, give your pests a permanent vacation. It has 2 fly-ins, 4 sticky traps. It's captivating for flying traps for your windows, and that's really it as far as the packaging there. On the back side here, it says flying insects can be a neurotic, buzzing from place to place, never satisfied, always irritating. Now you can offer them the fly-in, where they can have a permanent vacation with beautiful views and unparalleled comfort. The fly-in is an easy to use, simply attach to your window and insert one of the disposable sticky traps. Since most insects are drawn to the light and spend the majority of their time on windows, this is the perfect location to lure them in. And it says that there's no toxins, no poisons, no smells. And for you, it says, and for you, peace of mind, and an insect eliminator disguised as an attractive art piece adorning for your window. Longevity, it says the glue traps are designed to last at least 3 months. Direct sunlight might decrease their lifespan. They will be effective as long as the glue remains sticky or until full. Disposal, when the sticky traps are full and ready to be replaced, remove it from the plastic housing and discard it into the trash receptacle. Then insert a new one into the plastic housing and continue trapping. And then clean up in the event you find yourself stuck on the trap. It could happen. First remove the trap, then use a vegetable oil to remove the glue. Follow up with soap and water. In usage, it's for fruit flies, wasps, bees, houseflies, mosquitoes, moths, and other flying insects found near windows. It says it's non-toxic, whatever this is, recyclable, and 100% guaranteed. So that's it as far as the packaging. We'll get these open now. On the side here, it kind of gives you instructions. So it says wet the suction cup and stick the plastic housing to the window. Remove the protective sheet, fold and adhere the tabs to the inside of the trap. Place the disposable sticky trap inside the fly-in plastic housing, and then insects will crawl and get stuck and are hidden. And you can scan the QR code for more information there. So we'll take this out. A couple more inserts we'll go over in a second, but in the packaging what you'll find are so basically you've got the 4 sticky traps here, okay, which are individually wrapped, so you can use them separately. Then you have the 2 fly-ins, which are basically these basically suction cupped plastic things that you'll insert to the window so it gets stuck on and adheres to it. So you've got 2 of those, okay. And then lastly, you have a couple more inserts here. So it says, you're crushing it and you'll soon be catching these. Thank you for your purchase. It says, congratulations, you now possess an inn where winged invaders in your home will have a permanent vacation with beautiful views. We discussed that, but that's it. And then they provide a 15% off coupon here. And then keep the vacation going. They actually have replacements of this, so you can always just purchase replacements as needed when you run through the 4 that are included. And then, so I just realized that all the windows I have in my apartment actually have screens, so yeah, I can't actually use this, but I could attach it to like the door or a separate location as far as that. But just for the purposes of this video, I'll just show you how to set this up theoretically if you run into this, just so that for those of you at home that are trying this out, you get a sense of how it works. But basically you'll wet the suction cups, attach it to whatever surface you have to make sure it adheres on the window. Then basically you'll open up one of these traps, and these will just insert directly into here. And so what you'll do is just basically peel off the sticky trap on the inside here, and then it'll act as like a sticky trap, and then you'll kind of fold this down like this so that the triangle is sticking out on either side. And that sticks to the sticky trap, so it keeps it in place, so then it's kind of like this little cavern there. And then all you have to do is just basically put this directly in here. There's a longer side that'll be towards the front of the trap where it's a little bit longer, or actually reverse that, so it's rounded in the front. So you'll do it like this, where the longer side's on the back side and the rounded front's on the front side, and that's what it looks like. So that's hopefully what you'll do as far as that. So what I'll do is I'll try to find a location in my apartment for this. We'll just test it out and see how well it works. As always, you can ask questions or comments below, but I'll hopefully circle back and give you a sense of how this performs with time. So thanks for watching and have a great day.